Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 3.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The pound dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Facebook's head of Instagram said the service plans to start showing users full-screen recommended videos in their feeds similar to TikTok. British households raised their savings sharply in early 2021 as coronavirus lockdowns closed bars, restaurants, and many shops, potentially boosting their spending power as the restrictions are gradually lifted. With nearly 6 million in staked Ether to qualify nodes as validators, Ethereum 2.0 is the largest proof-of-stake cryptocurrency project in history.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Spain's 30-year bond auction will be released at 8:40 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 1:30 GMT. The U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI at 1400 GMT. The U.S. market manufacturing PMI will be released at 1345 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI at 030 GMT. Australia's imports at 130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.